Hey guys, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. In this video, we will see how to add the Testimonial add-on to a WordPress website. First, install and activate the Elemento Addons plugin on your website. Now open the page with Elementor. You can add the add-on anywhere on any page if the page is built with Elementor. Look for the testimonial in the Elemento Addons section. Here it is, drag the add-on and drop on the place where you want to add it. You can also search for the add-on from the search bar. After placing the add-on, you can see some samples and their settings. There are 3 sections to customize the content. This one item shows this section. To customize, click on it. In this box, write the content, like review or feedback, and insert the reviewer's image. Write the name and designation, and paste the link to redirect users to their page. Likewise, do the same for the rest of the testimonial sections. To add more sections, click on the Add New button. There are 2 layouts to show the testimonials. If you want to add a separator, enable this button. Down there, the order can be arranged. The slider settings allow you to edit the slider. You can change the number of columns and put it to autoplay. Here you can set the slider speed, direction, and loop status. To control the slider, you can add the dots and arrows. Now head to Styles to enhance the appearance. Separate sections are given to customize the particular thing. You can change or adjust the size, typography, color, and padding and margin. In the Advanced section, the full add-on can be customized. After all, save the changes and preview the site. This is our testimonial slider, working perfectly. You can also visit the testimonial page, where you get some more applications of the add-on. This is all about the Testimonial add-on. Download from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.